bottle gourd omelette or pepper bottle gourd omelette. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the bottle gourd recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the omelette recipes and one of the most unique of the egg recipes and one of the most different of the egg omelette recipes and one of the most delicious of the bottle gourd recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the breakfast recipes. Today we're going to make black pepper bottle gourd omelette. We have taken around 75 to 100 grams of bottle gourd, peeled and cut into pieces. The ingredients are 2 eggs, 2 tomatoes cut into small pieces, 15 grams of garlic, around 20 to 30 shallots cut into small pieces, 15 grams of ginger. Now break in 2 eggs, into the bowl. Mix the yellow and the white portion of the eggs together. Add the mix. Mix the eggs. Now put in the tomato pieces. Mix in the tomato pieces and crush. Crush the tomato pieces by mixing. Now put in the ginger pieces. Mix in the ginger pieces with the tomato. Thoroughly mix in. And while mixing, crush the tomato pieces further. Mix until it's frothy. Now put in the garlic pieces. Thoroughly mix. Thoroughly mix and crush all the ingredients together. Keep on mixing and crush the ginger, garlic and the tomato. put in the shallots. Mix in the shallots with the rest of the mixture. Thoroughly mix and crush all the ingredients together. Now put in salt to taste. Mix in the salt. Crush all the ingredients together. Put in 2 spoons of black pepper. Mix in the black pepper with the rest of the mixture. Thoroughly mix in the black pepper. Put in the bottle gourd pieces into the egg mixture. Mix that over. Now this mixture can be made into the omelette. Heat the pan. Pour in 10 to 15 ml of oil. Now pour in the egg mixture. And let it get heated. Let it fry. In low heat. Now cover and let it fry. Around 3 to 4 minutes. Now open. Now slowly turn over omelette and let it fry. Turn it over again. Now the black pepper bottle gourd omelette is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final black pepper bottle gourd omelette, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the omelette recipes and one of the most unique of the egg recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the egg omelette recipes and one of the most delicious of the pot gourd recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the black pepper recipes and one of the most unique of the pepper recipes and one of the most different of the breakfast recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.